Racing just is started with maximum impact. Break quickly at the start. Moving up now, ZL Indio. Lucky Star Contest is racing in third. Black Label in the middle portion. Harbor Magic. Then comes Boogie Wonderland getting the white strip. As they make the first turn is Don Alejandro. Then next on line is Tiger Boy. Then on the inside now is Royal Pair. And on the outside comes Hasit coming, while Engeria is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. Half mile distance, they traveled with maximum impact by about 4 lengths. El Indio in second. Moving up now on the outside is Don Alejandro. Harbor Magic is done on the inside. Then followed by Tiger Boy. Moving up on the outside, Lucky Star Contest, Boogie Wonderland, Royal Pair, Engeria, Black Label, while Hasit coming, now racing in less than Diana when entering the home stretch. We have El Indio by about half length. Don Alejandro is on the outside. Down on the inside now is Harbor Magic as they swing for home. El Indio by about a nose. Moving up down on the inside is Harbor Magic to take the lead. We have Harbor Magic by about 2 lengths. Followed by Royal Pair in second, El Indio, and finally it's Harbor Magic. Royal Pair, El Indio. Then comes Maximum Impact, Boogie Wonderland, and
Nako, ito, dehado na naman.